Good day everyone. Today I will tackle about on how I practice the 9 proper flow of food at home. As we talk about purchasing and receiving, when it comes to food, we should get the right product and right source. We should be skilled in buying the right ingredients with its accurate amount, check the expiration date and time, and it must have the best price for us to make sure that the food product quality is good. We should inspect the items that we have been ordered for us to ensure the quality and quantity specifications. As we talk about storing food, there is what we call a must do and must not do. In must do, the stocks or the food we store must be properly arranged and maintain the cleanliness of the refrigerator. In the must not do, we must avoid overcrowding or overloading of foods into specific place. As we talk about preparing, when it comes to food, we should make sure that we have practiced first the proper sanitation before we proceed in learning the different techniques like grinding, sifting, sealing, salting, and more to maximize the time in preparing food that will be served. As we talk about cooking in food industry, we should always cook food thoroughly. Do not partially cook the food and then warm it later to avoid contamination. Cooking will reduce bacteria and virus to safe levels if it done properly. Cooking food provides an opportunity to create well-balanced meals, and it helps us to avoid food poisoning. As we talk about holding in food industry, always make sure that when you hold the food, you have the proper hand cover and must be sanitized well. And as you can see in holding, there is some required degrees. In holding, it requires 2 hours with a degree range of 70 Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit. Proper food handling can prevent most foodborne illnesses. In order for pathogens to grow in food, certain conditions must be present. As we talk about cooling, it required 4 hours with a degree range of 41 Fahrenheit to 70 Fahrenheit. Always be careful in doing this process to prevent bacterial growth. Divide food into smaller portions in shallow containers to cool, being careful not to contaminate the food as you do this. Allow air to flow freely around the cooling container. As we talk about reheating, when it comes to food industry, we should make sure that the measure of the thermometer will range in 165 degree Fahrenheit. You can either put it on a saucepan or microwave and always cover and rotate the food. Reheating is one of the most effective way to eliminate bacterial hazards in food. Most foodborne bacteria and viruses can be killed when food is reheated long enough at sufficient high temperature. As we talk about serving when it comes to food industry, always remember that serving of food involves important role such as division, etiquette, and cultural form. It is also a site of courtesy and generosity. It offers help graciously. You must do it professionally. You must serve the correct items to the correct diners. And there you have it guys, the 9 flow of food. Thank you.